conquer horizons with global foresights, to dream big, lead, and make a lasting impact to society. Just like how each of us wants to purposefully give back to our parents, foresight allows us to think not just of ourselves, but also about others. I hope that as professionals, you will also find the desire to contribute meaningfully, something valuable, not only for yourselves and for your families, but also to our country. Help shape a better future, not just for you, but for everyone, especially those who contributed to molding you. To reiterate, your diplomas carry a responsibility, a privilege, and a burden. The future of our nation is in your hands, and I trust that your time in this university has nurtured you to think outside of the box. Malay nyo, someone from your batch might one day develop a solution that can feed millions of Filipinos without the need to import rice or even become president of this country. Second, you need to walk the talk. Words without actions are meaningless. Pag-abot sa romantic na relasyon, kinsa bagud ang ganahan kung naay mag-uyab sa imo or imo nang uyab na tanan lang sa istorya. Diba? Permi nimo mabantayan ug mapansin na naa gayud kakulangon. Kanang dili ka tagaan ug bulak o hanggaton man lang sa usa ka date sa Valentines Day, unya ang uban manag-uyab nag-date na. Dili gayud nimo malikayan na mapansin ug makumpara. Gusto nako ni makaambit kaninyo, kaysa tinuod lang, dili gyud igo ang puro lang istorya o mga saad. O yan, may konting comedy kayo. Kay kabaluman ko nga ang akong accent ay medyo pang-comedy. But of course, going back, as professionals, you will need to double or even triple your effort, whether you become an employee, a manager, or an employer. Performance is not just about doing your job, but doing it with consistency, integrity, and excellence. And of course, once you go out into the real world and you start working, there will be times when you will be faced with so much challenges that you might wonder to yourself, how can I ever overcome this? How can I ever make it out there? Please remember that just like every harvest, every tree, it all started with a small seed that entailed watering, taking care of, and nourishing, and one day became the strong tree that we all lean on. And the same will happen to all of you. You will start small when you enter the working world, but one day you will look back and you will be so proud of yourselves, how far you have come and how big you have grown. And lastly, definitely not the least, always strive for excellence and innovation. Life is a never-ending learning process. Learning does not stop once you graduate. We must always keep up, learn, and be ready to this ever-changing world. Be ready to adapt. Always strive to be the best in what you do and continue to learn and hone your craft. Let your legacy be that of a cultivator of excellence, truth, and justice. So, daghan kaayo, no? So here is the good news. Nahuman na ninyo ang unang lakan, ug kana ang mo graduate. Sa pila kagabi nga kamo gikapoy, nagbilar, nihilak ug nagsunog og kilay. Now you have finally made it. You have collaborated, possibly failed, but always tried again, stood up, pushed on, and grown. And more importantly, you carry with you a spirit shaped by the province of Bukidnon, a resilient, grounded, and generous na lumulupyo sa Bukidnon. Therefore, as I end my speech, I challenge each and every one of you to pursue excellence, but always lead with empathy, to dream big, but to always keep your feet on the ground, and to always stand for what is right, even if you have to stand alone. To borrow the words of Martin Luther King Jr., the ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands in moments of comfort, but where he stands at times of challenge and controversy. Again, Daghang salamat o congratulations sa inyong tanan.